Hello teacher and hello everyone. Today I'm describe about making fish ball and cabbage. Hello Kim.
Hi Bud.
What did you eat today?
Today I want to eat fish ball and cabbage.
But we don't have any fish or cabbage in the fridge.
Wait, I go buy it at the market. Here come the fish and cabbage, and this is the fish step ingredient. There are things like water, cabbage, fish ball, salt, sugar, pepper, garlic leaf, and MSG.
First, put enough water in the pan to cover the vegetable and fish ball. Put the water in the pan to make the ingredients such as salt, sugar, MSG, fish sauce, pepper, garlic, and stir well. When the water boils, we can add the make first fish paste little by little and cover with a leaf. Then add the fish sauce, sugars or brown sugars, MSG. When the soup is ready, add the vegetable. We can eat and it was delicious.
Thank you, Sripai, for your cooking.